Hello everyone, this is Jose from Captain Hook Tree Climbing, and I just got a package from the Tree Stuff, treestuff.com, and they sent me some cool goodies. I paid for them, right? But they sent me them anyway. So I got the Cocoon Pulley here, and it's a pretty cool little thing. It's nice and like hefty, and it's a lot bigger than what you would imagine. It's kind of let's see how it pairs up against the pinto pulley, so you guys have an idea. I think the pinto pulley is a very common one, mostly because it's cheap. Huh?
Those gloves don't go 3 days.
Oh yeah, those gloves were worth it, right? So the gloves these gloves are worth it because they held up for at least 3 days, and that's what I was shooting for when I first bought them. They're real cheap at Lowe's. So the Cocoon Pulley is well, it's kind of as big as the pinto pulley is. I mean, you know, they're kind of the same. The Becket here is much wider and thicker than, or the gap between the Becket and the actual pulley wheel here is much wider than on the Cocoon. But you can see that the actual pulley portion of it is much larger on the Cocoon, and that gives you an advantage. It keeps the ropes apart a little bit more, and it makes for better friction management. And on top of that, it's got a bearing in there. It's pretty cool. It's a really nice little tool. So that's the comparison. In terms of quality, this thing is just about as good quality as the pinto. Very nice workmanship here. You could see that's where they put in some kind of a rod to hold in the bearing and the pulley there. Anyway, here's the it says lock, turn this way, so it's kind of foolproof, and open righty tighty, lefty loosey, right? And so if you can see that red ring, you're not locked, so you got to cover it. That's one of the designs that was intentional on this thing. And it also helps, that O-ring also helps to keep it locked in place if it were to come, you know, unthreaded or whatnot. So yeah, we'll take this off real quick, and I'm gonna assemble it with this rigging loop from Rope Logic. It's pretty nice. It's you can orientate this in whichever way you'd like. So if you could see there, there's the pulley, or the rigging loop inside the pulley, and this guy goes in there. Here. Okay, so you can do it that way, or you can do it the other way, but I'm gonna do it this way because you see how, well, I just thought it would work better that way. So I did it this way. You can also turn this 90 degrees and then have it this way versus this way, you see? However you'd like. So it's very convenient in that sense. It gives you like, it does the pinto one better, because in here you can only put, like, say you can put a loop in there only this way, or a carabiner in there only in this way. You see that? So it is different. The Cocoon Pulley gives you a few extra options, and it's really nice. But yeah, anyway, I totally messed up because you got to get this thing through the cap first. Wow, this thing, and it's pretty hard to get it in there initially, but there it is. So yeah, that's in there. And next, well, obviously, like I told you earlier, you can orientate it that way or this way. The pinto pulley only allows you to put it this way. You get a carabiner in there that way, and this one allows you to do it 90 degrees the other direction, so it's pretty nice. Thank you guys. It's a pretty cool little addition to the set here, to the toolbox. And yeah, so now you have like this seamless kind of just attachment tool. You can do so much with this, and I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with it. So let me just find my,
there it is. I'm going to take this guy off of here. And what you
can do is pretty much go up in the tree, put around the crotch you want, and then
make it English perfect. Yep, just like that. Make it English perfect. That's a 2-loop. English perfect. English perfect. Perfect. So there it is. Yeah. Yeah, this doesn't really work all that well.
And this, I mean, if you want to go up there and try it out this way, and then just literally have only the pulley to work off of, that's cool too. I'm gonna elect to do it a different way. Let me show you guys.
I'm gonna take it like this, put around the friction saver, and yes, this is a huge upgrade to your friction saver. So if you guys want to upgrade your friction savers, go ahead and use a pulley on them. Oh shit. Wow, okay, this is gonna get annoying real quick. Okay, there it is.
So there it is, and that's how I'm going to use this. So guys, stay tuned for the next video. I'll post the link to the video of me climbing on this up in the left. So till next time.